Hi, hope you're doing well. Starting off, I'd like to apologize for the last video. There was something wrong with my mic, and it's been a crazy few days because it's been Eid, and then I've had guests over and stuff. But I realize how unprofessional I've been, and I apologize for that. And moving forward, I'm hoping to have everything smoothened out, and I will be available daily. Back to the video. We want to, on the website, let's log in. So / new secret login 244345. I think there was an S in the end. That's the login page. Right, this is your dashboard. So to start off, I want to mention that each person should have his own account set up. So basically anyone that's using the website, I made an account, the admin, and with the password 123, just as a sample for now, but the owner as well as the manager should set up their own accounts like this. We're going to go into users, add new. Right, over here just fill in a username that you would want. So for example, Alan, right, fill in his email. Right, this is the first name, last name. The website is not necessary. You can add it if you want. Then click on show password and add whatever password you want over here, and select the role as administrator, shop manager, or editor, up to you. Administrator has all of the privileges, can make any changes he wants. Shop manager can only make changes within the shop, etc. And then just click add new user and your account should be created. Then just log out of this one and log into your new one. Right, moving on, let's go to the products section. So we're going to go over how to add a product from scratch. So when you're managing the store, you will be mainly managing two sections of the website. You'll be managing the Woocommerce section and the product section, right? We're going to start off with products. We can add new product. We can view all of the products, which is where we are now. We can add categories or remove or change categories, add tags and add attributes. So for now, let's go over here. We can add a new product from here or within the all product section on top here. Let's click add new. Right, over here we will add the product name. Let's call it trying to remember which product. Let's say sofas. Right, we'll scroll down. We can leave this empty because the description will come further down. We want to select a simple product. If we have different sizes, for example, if you have a clothing store and you want to add different sizes, you will add a variable product, but for now let's keep it simple. Right, add a price. So let's say $50. The next thing we can do is add a sale price. A sale price is, you can schedule a sale from any date to any date, and within those dates it will have this price. Let's say 20, right? But obviously this is optional. You can cancel that and leave that blank if you want. The tax status you will leave it as taxable as long as you are in a taxable country. It will do the calculation of tax for you, right? And then the tax class will be standard unless you've added different classes of tax. And that's the first part, the general part of the product data. Go to the next one, and over here we can add an inventory, which means how many products do you have in stock. Let's say we have 10 products, and would you like to manage the stock, which means if anyone has if your products go below like 2, for example, or below a certain amount, it will notify you. And then you can set the stock status. It's in stock, obviously. And then sold individually is if you want a maximum order of 1 per product, we can select this. Shipping. This is quite important. We have to add the weight. Currently pounds are selected, LBs, which is pounds. Let's say it's, I think poster would be like 3 pounds. And then add dimensions. Let's say it's in inches, so 15 by 5 by 20, I don't know. And then we can add special shipping classes, right? So I'll show you how to do that later, but a shipping class is, let's say if you're in the United States and then you want to have one shipping class for anything in the United States and another shipping class for outside the United States. So maybe inside the United States you're offering free shipping, and outside you have a specific rate. For now we'll select this as no shipping class, right? Let's go to the next section, the linked products. So upsells. I'm just going to show you something. Upsells are under your product. What will show, like what other products do you want to show under your current product? Let's go to this one, for example, and you can see under the product we have an upsell. This is like other products you may be interested in, right? It'll come under the actual product. So let's select sample. It's gonna search, there you go, and nature, because that's the name of the poster. Right, cross sells, we can leave it for now. These are basically people have also bought or frequently bought with, and it will show in your cart. We can also just leave that nature one over here. You can leave this blank if you want. Attributes, you won't need it at the moment because your product is not a variable, which means there's just one size and one type. If there are different sizes, then we will add different attributes here, but for now we'll leave that. If you want to have a purchase note, if you want to enable reviews, you'll do that in the advanced section. And then these are all extensions that you can add to your store, but we'll leave that for now. That's basically the product data section sorted, right? Now we'll come to the description. This is a very beautiful, what were we adding? Sofa set poster. I don't know, just add any description you want. Right, we're done with the main section. Now I want you to come over to the right side here, right? The page layout, we're gonna leave it as blank because we want this sidebar to show. And we're gonna come down here, we're gonna add a category, right? So let's add it in random, and let's say it's like artsy, an artsy sofa. And then we're going to add a tag here. A tag is basically when a person searches here, what should he search for that thing to come up. So for example, this one is tagged as beautiful, classy, and nature, right? So if I search here beautiful, right, this one will come up because this is tagged as beautiful. Next up, let's add a tag of clean, right? Next up, we're going to set a product image. Let's select this one, supposing that this was a poster, right? And then we can add a product gallery. In the product gallery, we can add different pictures of the same thing. So we don't have different pictures of the same thing, but for example, if this is your poster,